Hi students, in this exercise we will learn how to store a complete assembly on a tool palette. In addition to storing individual sub-assemblies on a tool palette, it's often useful to store entire completed assemblies. Many jurisdictions have several standard roadway sections. Once each standard assembly has been built, you can save time on future projects by pulling in a store version of this assembly. It's usually a good idea to create a library drawing in a shared network location for common completed assemblies and to create all assemblies in that drawing before dragging them onto the tool palette. By using this approach, you will be able to test your assemblies for validity before they are rolled into production. Alternatively, you can right click the new tool palette and you can also import them. We will look all of these tools in this drawing. If you have any drawing and you already create some assemblies, standard assemblies which you are going to use, for example, if you are going to create a roundabout for any road or intersection, then you must have any standard assembly for that road. Then later you can create for the left side, or if you need any specific assembly with just curbstone or with just sidewalk or maybe with just daylight slope, then you can use and this tip and you can save your time. For example, I want to save this assembly on my tool palette. How we can do that? We can also add them on a basic any for example, I want to save this assembly on this tab, then I will just select the baseline of this assembly, and then same like the process for storing a subassembly, you can also simply select the assembly baseline and then you will hover your cursor over the assembly baseline, then left click, hold and drag to a palette of your choosing like this. So if you see, then we have now this assembly here on our tool palette under the assembly tabs. Then if I will just click this assembly, I can use them later. If you want to create new any another tab tool palette, then right click and select new palette. Here I can give the name my standard assemblies. Okay, and now if I want to save this whole assembly on this tool palette, I will just drag it down here like this. I want to save this also, and they will show you under the my standard assembly tool palette. And later if you want to use same assembly in your drawing but need little additions, you can just click from here and you can change little bit about this, and you will just click and your whole assembly is just here. And for example, if we are working on roundabout and I just need the right side, then I will delete all of these assemblies on the on the left side like this. And now we have just right side and we can apply them on different places where we need. So this is how you can save your entire assembly on your tool palette under any tab. For example, if I have any PKT file, then I can also import my assemblies from those files. Just right click on the tab, any tab you can use, and then here you have import subassemblies. Source file, you must need to select your PKT files, they are supporting PKT files which you have assemblies, then you can select here the tool palette, which now my standard assemblies I have been selected, and then you will OK, and your all assembly will be here. So this is how you can import, and you can also save entire assembly to save your time. It's very small trick, but it's saving you a lot of time. So if you like, please stay tuned with us.